This is number 64 for the MAT 1033 final exam review. It asks us to solve the equation, so find V equals 9 over V plus 1 over 11 equals 8 over V. So we notice that there's fractions and it asks us to solve. So we have some things that, some restrictions with our domain. So we have to find our domain first. Remember our domain, there's fractions. So our denominator, the bottom of our fraction, cannot equal 0. So setting each denominator to 0, it tells us that V cannot be 0, 11 cannot be 0, and V cannot be 0 is already there, so I don't have to write it twice. So we know V cannot be 0. It's already solved for us. 11 cannot be 0. Well, we already know 11's not 0, so that doesn't tell us anything about V. So our only restriction is that V cannot be 0. It could be anything else, it just cannot be 0. So we're going to keep that in the back of our mind, and we're going to go through actually solve this, and in the end make sure that V is not 0. So there's fractions, so we need to first try to get rid of the fractions to make this easier for us to solve. We get rid of fractions by multiplying everything by the LCD, the least common denominator. So starting from left to right, there's a V, so we know V has to be in there somewhere. There's an 11, so 11 has to be in there. There's a V, V is already in our LCD, so I don't have to write it twice. So our LCD should be 11V. This is the same thing as saying 11V over 1. And we're going to distribute this to each term on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. So we're left with 11V times 9. So that'll give us 99V over 1 times V is V. Second one, plus 11V times 1 is 11V. All over 1 times 11 is 11. Equals 11V times 8. So 88V. All over 1 times V, which is V. So we distributed our LCD. Now we're going to simplify each fraction. So 11V over V, the two V's cancel out, and we're just left with 99. Plus 11V divided by 11. Same thing, 11 divided by 11 goes to 1, so those cancel each other out, and we're just left with V. Equals 88 divided by V. V divided by V goes to 1, so those cancel each other out. We are just left with 88. So we have 99 plus V equals 88. Solving for V, I need to get V by itself. So I need to subtract 99 from both sides. So that way 99 minus 99 goes to 0. Those cancel each other out. We're left with V equals 88 minus 99, which is negative 11. So you know V equals negative 11. Going back, checking with the domain, it's okay that V equals negative 11, or V just cannot be 0. So this is our final answer. And we know this because this works with our domain. So don't forget to go back and check that. So our answer is V equals negative 11. That's number 64 for the MAT 1033 final exam review.